Aldrin Kibet oyang kaka jatugo makare kind jotugo e mich mar SJAK LG mar dwe mar 8. Kibet mar skund sekondar ma St. Anthony ne omi mich kaluwore kod ting' mare mane en godo e timbe manobedo joloch e tuke mag adhula mag Kenya mangima. Kidieny mag skunde mag sekondar kobedo jatugo man nigi gonde modhuro kendo jatugo masulu e tukego. Kibet ne omi mich odiochieng' ma kawuono e nyasi mar yango kendo dhialo jatugo makare mich mar SJAK LG Awards. Kamorin Kemunto jata chenro mag tudruok mar LG East Africa ne opuoyo Kibet ka ojiwo jotugo mondo tim sinani. Kibet obedo japuonjre mokuongo momo mich makama e kind jotugo ka osingo tiyo matek e klas kod weche mag tuke kendo bedo ranyisi makare ne jotugo mamoko matindo e pacho ka.
It's an immense honor for us to stand here before you today to announce that Aldrin Kibet has been named the LG Sports Personality of the month of August. Kibet's story is inspiring to many young footballers, especially students in Kenya. His dedication, resilience, and unmatched performance in the field has given us a fruitful and prestigious award today.
Yes, a young talent has emerged, one which will be going to Spain to continue doing some fantastic work. And the committee decided, and that is the way that we are going. So, hongera once again, and hongera to all the other people who are on that list, because it was a very, very tough decision, but a decision was made, and that decision is here to congratulate again and to say this is a young budding talent. Sasa ni wazazi waendelee kumsupport, and for him, he continued to balance his academics and also to balance what he does on the pitch, and he will continue to be that star of a performance.
It's a special gift. It will boost my confidence. It will motivate me to work for more so I could get rewarded more. Finally, I'd like to appreciate all of you who are here. I thank you for the support, my coach, Mr. Mayoyo, my parents. I thank you all for being here. Thank you.